These three things. Lollipop. Marmite. Gross. And then Sing's Roti Shop Super Hot Sauce. Now it's on my hand. Okay. First, you gotta eat this. No.
What kind of lollipop is it?
What is that? Blazing hot. It's blazing hot watermelon.
Blazing hot.
You have to hold it in for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can hang it out now.
Oh my God! What are you trying to do? Kill me?
Yes, I am. Next is Marmite.
That sounds like some kind of insect.
Well, it's not. Yeast extract is what it's made of.
What?
Plus, here's a little rhyme. Roses are red, violets are blue. You're brown, and I love you.
That's not a good sign. I'm not gonna love this. Okay. Oh my God, this smells like dung.
Stick your finger in, Christopher. Eat the lollipop.
Oh my God!
Told you it tasted bad.
It tastes. Oh my God!
Well, the next one is
Oh my God!
Sing's Roti Shop Super Hot Pepper Sauce.
Oh no!
Hey, Christopher.
Oh my God! So that's what the water for.
Maybe, maybe not.
I think you need to shake this up because there's all that oil on the top.
It's fine. That's like it's really hot. Stick it. No. You gotta grab it afterward.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Okay.
No! Oh my God!
Well, that's the end of our show. Thank you very much. Bye, people. Hey, kids. Why don't you send in some suggestions for Christopher should eat next time?
Don't!
Please do. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to him. Listen to me.
Listen to you.
Yeah.